Hello everyone, Yabende here. In today's video we will be looking at the Japanese INAHO Tierkey lock short format version. This tiny lock has 3 rows of pins, the left row 3 pins, the top row 2 and the right row 4 pins. Driver pins and key pins are mix of standard and spools. Tolerances are rated average, and the so-called zero lift pins are really zero lift and you don't need to do anything with them at all. There are 3 such pins in this lock, 2 on the left row and 1 of the 2 on the right row and 1 on the left row. After picking, I will do the gutting and show all the internals. To do safe gutting, it is good to have a very thin shims, because the core, after remove the C-clip, has a groove where the pins can get stuck. Alright, that's how it looks like. Here we have the key. As you can see, these 2 pins from the first 2 pins from the right row are zero lift, and the second pin from the left row is zero lift as well. Okay, let's pick this lock. Alright, INAHO Tierkey short format. Counterclockwise tension, and let's start. Number 1 on the left, number 2, number 3, okay, number 4 on the right, 3 on the left was dropped, number 3 on the right, okay, number 1 on the top, number 2 on the top, and we have open. Alright, so now we will do gutting. Gutting this lock is a bit tricky because of because of that C-clip groove. So I will speed up this on the video, because I have to put very thin shims, and it may take a bit time. last pin. Alright, here we have a ball bearing, for the centering core. Here is housing with all chambers. That's how it looks like, the core with keeping chambers. And let's see our pins. Okay, as you can see, left row, top row, and the right row. On the each row we have some standard pins and some spools, which gives us counter rotation. Some of the key pins has a spooled section that makes counter rotation if we get an overset, so that may be a bit confusing. The other key pins are just standard. Here we have key pins from the top row, quite fun lock with 9 pins. I think the blue belt classification is fair. So that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.